Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a special guest. Her name is Margaret. This is Margaret. This is my bearded dragon. She's chubby and she's cute, but she likes to destroy her tank every single day and make me fix it. So I just decided that she probably destroys her tank because she wants clout, and so that's what I'm doing today. I'm giving her some clout by putting her on the channel. Margaret's shedding right now, so she's gonna get really big soon. Can't wait for that, so she can destroy everything 10 times quicker. Right, Margaret? Well, anyways, the point of me taking Margaret out of her tank was because if you guys have been, or if you were, wait, what? You guys have seen any of my videos from last Halloween, you know that I do some pretty swaggin', I don't know why I just said swaggin', what's a different word? Exquisite Halloween transformations. I've done Pennywise, I've done Post Malone, I did the dog guy from Chuck E. Cheese. So I figure, you know what better way to kick off it almost being Halloween than to transform myself once again. And what am I transforming myself into, you might ask? Margaret, my bearded dragon. I'm transforming myself into Margaret. So let's get started. And this video is canceled. I'm pretty sure I can't glue my eyebrows down with liquid Elmer's glue because then I won't have any eyebrows left, right? Or does that not matter? Will it just wipe off the same way as the glue stick? I don't know what happened to the glue stick. It could be due to the fact that I lose literally everything that I own. I don't know. I found it. Yeah. I found glue stick, so now I can glue down my eyebrows. Now, the reason I'm gluing down my eyebrows is because bearded dragons don't have eyebrows. Yes, bearded dragons don't have eyebrows. Now, I don't exactly know how I'm gonna transform into a bearded dragon because I don't have a reference because Margaret doesn't sit still. So I'll probably just wing it. Look at my eyebrows. Ooh. I'm not gonna waste any time putting powder on first because it never looks right. I'm only gonna blame myself because I was the one who said that it wasn't powder first. Margaret is a darker color than me, so I'm gonna use this because it's a little bit tanner than my skin because I'm pale. Someone call 911. Oh. Wow, this contouring is exquisite. I have to give myself a beard. Yeah. Probably gonna have to show up to work like this tomorrow. No, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, well. I'm just doing some shading. This is the look. I will put a side-by-side photo right here for the photo that I used as a reference. So yeah, this is the look. Oh, look at that side profile. I said. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.